Hello friends and welcome back. Learn verbs in English Urdu with sentences starting from the alphabet S. So let's start our video with this first word, that is sew. Silai karna ya Sina, her mother is sewing baby clothes. Shake, Hilana, they shook hands when they met at the airport. Shed, Bahaya, she tried not to shed a tear. Shine, Chamakna, he shined your father's shoes. Shoot, Goli Marna, I will shoot both of you. Show, Dikhana, I will show you later. Shrink, Sukadana, ya Ghatana, usually clothes shrink after washing them. Shut, Band karna, I shut my eyes again. Sing, Gana, her elder sister loves to sing. Sink, Dubna, ya Dubona, a ship sank near the ocean yesterday. Sit, Baithna, sit on the floor stretching your legs. Ski, Dalwan par pisalna, I like skiing very much. Sleep, Sona, I slept too much. Slice, Tukda karna, it is best to slice into a rich cake from the middle. Slide, Khiskana, ya Sarakna, he slid the money into my pocket. Slip, Khisakna, ya Pisal jana, she slipped into her clothes. Smell, Buana, ya Basana, something smells bad. What is this? Snore, Kharatelena, he is snoring loudly. Solve, Hal karna, ya Suljhana, he solved a difficult problem. Sow, Bona, farmers sow seeds in the spring. Speak, Bolna, he speaks English. Spell, Hijje karna, I don't know how to spell the word. Spend, Kharch karna, I spent some time in Karachi. Spill, Geraana, I am afraid I spill coffee on the table. Spit, Thukna, he spits everywhere in the home. Spread, Phelana, ya Bikharna, he spread some strawberry jam on his toast. Squat, Akdu Baithna, Tom squatted down next to his dog. Steak, Enbar karna, ya ढेर lagana, they are specially packaged so that they stack easily. Stand, खड़ा होना, can you stand up? اسٹارٹ آغاز کرنا یا شروع کرنا. He started his journey happily. Steal چوری کرنا. My watch was stolen. Stick چمکنا. He stick to his job. Sting ڈنگ مارنا. I was stung by a bee. Sting بدبودار ہونا. It stings in here. Stir چلانا. She stirred the soup with a spoon. Stop روکنا. I hoped he would stop asking awkward questions. Stretch کھینچنا یا پھیلنا. I want to stretch my business. Strike مارنا یا ہڑتال کرنا. He strikes the wall with his fist. Struggle جدوجہد کرنا یا کوشش کرنا. He struggled to keep his footing on the slippery floor. Study مطالعہ کرنا. He studies honestly. Submit جمع کرانا. I submitted the application myself. Succeed کامیاب ہونا. He will succeed for sure. سفر برداشت کرنا یا سہنا. We suffered a pretty big loss. Suggest تجویز کرنا. عثمان suggested meeting for a tea after work. Supply مہیا کرنا. I supplied Usman with everything he needed. Suppose فرض کرنا. I suppose you are hungry. Surprise حیران کرنا. She surprised him when she arrived early. Thanks for watching.